All right, what's up, folks? I want to bring you an update on Cardano. I see something very, very interesting with Cardano. We may have a big impulse in the near future here, so I may be entering a trade with Cardano. So in this video, I'm going to run through some technical analysis, talk about the short term and long term, and also explain this potential trade and how I would approach it. As well, I'm going to bring up a low cap gem that I want to put on your guys' radar, a cryptocurrency that I've been learning and looking more into as of late that I find very interesting. I've been talking about this cryptocurrency to our VIP Discord members, where we talk about low cap gems. To join our VIP Discord, link for that down in the description. You get access to our Patreon. Very interesting. Well, the interesting thing is, the reason why I want to make this video is because if we can start to break above and hold above $1.28 and hold above $1.28, I think we have a good chance of seeing bullish continuation, and I'm personally considering entering a trade. Now, something that you can do, and that I try and do whenever I consider entering a trade, is I look at the risk-reward ratio. Because I look at this, the macro situation, and I could kind of guess that probably the next major resistance level we're looking at is $1.34, $1.35. So if we can hold above $1.28, I think we have a good chance of retesting these regions here. So what I could do is put a stop loss right below this body candle, where if it goes below, I'm out of the trade. That's my stop loss. And if I'm right, we go up 4.65%. So I have a risk to reward ratio of 2.96%. So I'm risking less than I could gain if I'm right. So if we can continue to hold above $1.28, I even might just hop off here and enter a trade for a moment here. But I want to see some confirmation. It won't go up right away, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to record this video here. So, folks, something to consider too. Let's say you do enter a trade, and I'm not telling you to enter this trade. I make this video just to say, just to run through some of the things that I consider when entering a trade. I'm not telling you to trade with me. This is very risky. None of this is a guarantee. I can lose this trade, folks. Trading is not easy. If you don't know what you're doing, if you're not very competent in technical analysis, you should not be trading. So bottom line is, let's say we start to break out here and I enter a trade. One thing that I've been trying to implement more and more, and I've been trying to preach about as of late, is if you ever place a trade and the trade starts to go your way, place your stop loss in profit. That way, no matter what happens, you're still making money. So one approach I would take is, let's say, on the 5 minute here, if we start to get like a 5 minute candle close above $1.28, I don't want to see that close, then I might enter a trade. Let's say I enter a trade, it starts to go my way, then I place my stop loss in profit. That way, no matter what happens, I'm still making money. So that's one way, or some of the ways that I approach scalp trading and kind of just trading in general. So that's what I'm looking out for Cardano. I think we can have a bit of an impulse here to about $1.35 if we can continue to hold above $1.28. It's a nice 4-ish% move. So that's what I'm considering with Cardano. Following the Cardano Bitcoin and ADA pairings are going to be very important for trying to understand when we can see the next big move, because we're getting rejected off a similar level on the 2-3 with Bitcoin and the 7-5 with Ethereum. Once we break above that level, I think that'll be very telling for understanding when we see the next large impulse. So with Cardano being, I gotta hop in this trade, I gotta finish up this video. With Cardano being listed on Coinbase Pro on the 18th tomorrow, that's obviously a very bullish catalyst. I think Cardano is likely to pump. Again, none of this is guaranteed. Whenever I look to enter a trade, I look at the risk to reward ratio, and if it's favorable and if it makes sense, I'll enter it. If the trade starts to go in my favor, I'll place my stop loss in profit. That way, no matter what happens, I'm still making money. I'm still making a profitable trade. Now, folks, I want to wrap up this video because I want to go enter this trade here. Again, I want confirmation. I want to see us continue to hold above this. It's okay if I don't get the most perfect entry. You want confirmation when entering trades. Again, these are not all the factors I'm considering. I'm really just kind of distilling some of the major things you need to be aware of. But let me bring you guys this low cap gem. Folks, I want to talk to you guys about L-Pool. This is a brand new cryptocurrency project that I've been talking to our Discord members about, our VIP Discord members about. So what is L-Pool? Why should you care? Why is this interesting? Well, folks, L-Pool is essentially kind of like Polkastarter, but on Ethereum. So Polkastarter and L-Pool are both launch pads that help launch and bring utility to brand new cryptocurrency projects that launch. Folks, the Polkastarter, first off, Polkastarter has been absolutely exploding and killing it. The Polkastarter projects have been absolutely exploding and killing it. They've been doing 20x's, 50x's, 100x's. And so Launchpool is basically Polkastarter on Ethereum, except not only is it that, but let's take a look at the market cap for L-Pool. 37 million, folks. This is a low market cap. Let's take a look at the market cap for Polkastarter. 300 million, folks. Oof, I'm very excited about Launchpool. I've been doing research. They're backed by a lot of very solid people, a lot of very solid backing. I've been looking to this project more and more. I really like this project. I've been buying dollar cost averaging my way into this project. You can even, so the way this works is that you get Outpool tokens, and once they launch their launchpad and they launch, the currencies, brand new cryptocurrencies, brand new projects, you stake your Outpool with a pool of the brand new project, and you earn a stake in the brand new project through staking Outpool in one of their liquidity pools. So folks, if that doesn't make sense, follow their Twitter. Give their Twitter a follow. They have some explainer videos that explain it pretty well. I'm very bullish on this thing. I really like the way they structure their tokenomics, because I even like this better than Polkastarter, to be honest, because with Polkastarter, you have to stake Polkastarter and then you buy into the projects with like ETH or something. With Launchpool, you have to buy Launchpool and you stake Launchpool in the staking pools in order to gain an allocation of these brand new projects. So you're incentivized to hold Outpool over the long term, because holding Outpool and staking Outpool is how you get access to the brand new projects launching on their launchpad. They have staking available for the next 67 days. So for the next 67 days, you can buy Launchpool, stake it on Launchpool, and earn like a crazy APY, like 150% APY. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure the staking isn't available to Americans, but I'm pretty sure you can. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do, but I think if you were an American, you might just be able to buy it on Uniswap. I mean, who's going to stop you? But again, that's not advice and not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I've been doing. I've been dollar cost averaging my way into this thing. I'm staking Outpool, earning like 150 some odd percent APY on this project for the next 67 days. Then they're going to launch their launch pad. And then you'll be able to stake Outpool and then gain an allocation of these brand new projects that launch on their launch pad. So very interesting project, very low cap, 37 million market cap. I definitely could see this competing with Polkastarter one day, in my opinion. Again, none of this is guaranteed. Every new project, and the lower the market cap, the more risky it is, folks. There's a lot of opportunity here, but there's a lot of risk. Know both sides. So, folks, I hope you like this video. I gotta ape into a Cardano trade. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.